Today on the Evo we're going to be fitting this USB 2.1 amp charger port instead of the cigarette lighter. So while I'm doing multiple jobs on the Evo, one of the things I've done is I've taken out the stereo and I've already got rid of the cigarette lighter. It's useless to me. Don't smoke. I do want a charging port though, but I don't want to plug one into the cigarette lighter. I think it looks naff. So one of the things I'm going to do is fit this little USB charger that I've got here in place. Now the cigarette lighter is already gone, so this is going to be quite a simple job of just cutting the wires and soldering this in place of the now missing lighter. So this is what I bought here. It's a little fused USB port. It's 5 volts, 2.1 amps, so it'll charge quite quickly. And yeah, this is from a company, Connect 2, that you can buy all kinds of audio accessories from. Connections, you know, hi-fi stuff. I've used a lot of their stuff in the A3 when I was fitting a stereo in that, like speaker mounting brackets and what have you. So this should be very straightforward, just popping off that central panel. Cigarette lighter's obviously already gone, and the stereo, that's in one of the other videos that I did, but it'll just be cutting the wires to the plugs that are already there and then just soldering these wires into place. It's fused, that's it, good to go. So let's crack on with doing that. This is the plug here for the original cigarette lighter. So it's got a little bulb that goes into that one there. Obviously got rid of that, don't need it. Black, always earth. So that's going to be the earth supply connecting to this one here. And then this one's the power that's going to go to that one there. And that really is that. So now we've got the wires snipped on both connectors here, both ends. Just need to crimp these on because of course I need to be able to unplug it when I'm doing other stuff on the center console in the future. Can't solder it in, which was my first rather dim idea. So yeah, put these on and then that will be it. Put it all back together and we're done. That's it, we're all done. Last thing to do is just give it a quick test, make sure it works. Like I say, I'm doing other stuff in there anyway, so it doesn't have to be too tidy just yet, but there we go. Job done.